Welcome to our detailed exploration of how an internal combustion engine works. These ingenious devices are at the heart of most cars, enabling them to convert fuel into the energy required for motion. Let's break down the process in simple terms. At its core, an internal combustion engine relies on a series of controlled explosions to generate power. It all begins in the cylinders, where a precise mixture of fuel and air is drawn in. This mixture is then compressed by the upward movement of the piston, which makes it highly combustible. Enter the spark plug, a critical component that ignites this mixture with a spark, causing a small but powerful explosion. This explosion pushes the piston back down, turning the crankshaft. The crankshaft in turn transforms this linear motion into rotational motion, which ultimately powers the vehicle. This cycle repeats hundreds of times per minute and is known as the four-stroke process: intake, compression, power, and exhaust. Let's delve a bit deeper. During the intake stroke, the intake valve opens, allowing the fuel-air mixture to enter the cylinder. Then comes the compression stroke, where the piston rises, compressing the mixture to make it more explosive. The next step is the power stroke, where the spark plug ignites the mix, forcing the piston downward and producing power. Finally, we have the exhaust stroke, where the exhaust valve opens, allowing spent gases to escape. The engine's design ensures this occurs seamlessly and cycles smoothly, allowing for continuous power generation. Balancing all these steps are various engine components, such as the camshaft, which operates the valves, and the timing belt, which ensures everything stays in sync. This marvel of engineering has been refined over time to maximize efficiency and power output, yet the basic principle remains unchanged. Understanding these fundamentals helps us appreciate the intricate dance of pistons and sparks that propel you forward every day. Now, when you hear the hum of an engine, you'll know exactly what makes that sound possible. Thanks for joining us in this mechanical journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.